Welcome to all my viewers. I am here at Godrej City, Panvel. Godrej is a name which needs no introduction. They have been in the industry for past 3 decades and they have delivered around 20 plus million square feet. And they have around 400 plus awards to their names. So that is why I am not going to get into the legacy of Godrej at all. We will talk about Godrej City Panvel in itself. In this video, I will give you the basic introduction to the location, the connectivity which this project offers you, the highlights of this project. We'll get into the details of the township, the various clusters and specifically the new phase which they have come up with, which is actually green terraces. Now, coming to the project itself, the project is spread across 145 acres. It has many clusters, woods, meadows, highlands, and the latest one is green terraces. So we'll go inside at the model and we'll understand the location and green terraces in itself. The location of this project is absolutely prime, and this here demarcates the entire connectivity which you will be getting from this project. First of all, let me tell you that your Navi Mumbai International Airport is going to be just 10 minutes from here. Now, Panvel as a location, let me tell you, a lot of infrastructural development is happening here, because of which the connectivity is going to be completely seamless. From here, you can connect to Atal Setu in maximum 15 minutes, and from there, your Sobo is going to be just hardly 45 to 50 minutes, and that's cutting down a lot of time. People who travel to the offices, BKC, for them this is going to be a very beneficial point. Other than that, the upcoming railway line will have 3 stations nearby. The Virar-Alibag multimodal corridor is going to make things very accessible for you, and because of this nearby development which is happening, this location is very strategic, and people are there is a lot of influx of HNIs and ultra HNIs who are trying to invest here and get a home for themselves right here. The location I have talked about, there is nothing which you cannot connect from here, from Vashi, Belapur, Kharghar, everything is going to be at your disposal. The location is great, but more important is that this township is a very luxurious township. You will be getting a lot of amenities and everything. So let's talk about that now. I am here at the model of the township and it's so spectacular. First of all, the clusters which I named to you earlier, woods, meadows, highlands, all of those are the earlier phases. Currently, they have started with their phase 4, which is green terraces. As you can see behind me, green terrace is having beautiful panoramic views of the golf course. Yes, right. In this township, you will be getting 9-hole golf course, and as you can see on the right side, the residential units are there. On the left side of the project, you will be having commercial facilities, the showrooms and everything, your leisure facilities, your basic daily necessities, your school, hospital, police station, everything is going to be inside the township itself. You don't need to go anywhere outside. That's the best part of the project. And of course, you have around 70 to 80% open space for that fresh air, and you will be living within the nature. From Panvel, you will be having beautiful panoramic views of the Matharan Hills. This township project is located in such a great location. It has such amazing facilities, and on top of that, you have a new opportunity to get a home for yourself here in green terraces. So I have talked about the township and everything, but the most important part of the video is to talk about green terraces in itself. Now, this is the model of green terrace. It will be spread across 7.17 acres, and at the very front, you will be having G+6 floors of dedicated parking, retail shops, and of course, on the top, you will be getting world-class amenities. For example, a half Olympic-sized swimming pool, basketball court, squash court, kids play area, senior citizen area, spa, sauna, and a lot of other things. You name it, Godrej offers it to you. Now, coming back to the retail showrooms, you will be getting at the very front retail shops, for example, your clothing brands, electronic shops, all of those are going to be right here. So all your needs are fulfilled inside the township itself. You will be getting one parking for every unit, and as you can see, every home has unobstructed view of either the podium or the views of the Matharan Hills or the golf course. So there is no compromise on the view, there is no compromise on the accessibility, the location, and of course the leisure facilities that you will be getting right here. Green Terraces offers you 2 and 3 BHK spacious, luxurious homes with expansive layout. This is your 3 BHK sample apartment of approx 1160 plus square feet, and at the very entrance, first of all, on the right side is going to be your kitchen, but we'll come back to it in a while. As you enter, this is going to be your spacious living plus dining. You have separate dining area, 6-seater dining table can fit very perfectly. This is your sofa unit. Your television comes opposite to this, and the best part about a project by Godrej is that you get big sized balconies, sun decks to enjoy the panoramic views from here. Now, the kitchen which was left, let's see that. Kitchen is also very spacious. All your needs and utilities can fit right here. You get parallel platforms, your serving counter, cooking counter, enough space to keep your utilities, and of course, a dry area, utility area to keep your washing machine. Now we'll cross the living room and move towards the bedrooms. On my right side is your common washroom for the guests to use. It's very spacious. The tiling looks really premium. You'll be getting fittings of Kohler. There's no other brand which can be at par with Godrej. This is your first bedroom. This can be your kids' bedroom or your parents' bedroom. A queen-size bed can fit perfectly. This can be your working counter or your study corner for your children. The floor-to-ceiling height is amazing. And this is your master bedroom. It's huge. All your needs can fit here perfectly. A king-size bed, your dressing corner, window for ventilation and proper sunlight, and an attached washroom. The wardrobe space is also good enough. The tiling work here is different from the common washroom to give it a very personalized feeling, and once you do the interiors and the lightings are set up, it's going to look amazing. Now, the third bedroom. This can be your entertainment room or your guest bedroom. Again, a queen-size bed, windows for ventilation, and your wardrobe space is really good. Attached to this is your washroom, premium fittings. Kohler, of course, is there for you. This apartment, 3 BHK, is priced at 1.87 CR plus taxes. So, for booking purposes, contact us on the details given below.